If you thought that dill can only work with Greek yogurt, then you are wrong. Get ready to be surprised by the flavor of dill in this recipe. This is one of those recipes that works great with dill. Start by washing your dill and removing the large, tough stem. You just want the leaves and the soft stem. Once you're done, you will end up with something like this. Set that aside and get your chopping board ready. You will need 2 large red onions and then cut them into simple cubes. This recipe should be enough for 6 to 8 servings. I would say you will need a few wraps of dill and 2 large red onions. For the rice, you will need 4 cups. Set that aside and let's head to the stove. I'm using the Dutch oven. Heat up some neutral oil like canola oil or sunflower oil. Once your oil is hot enough, it's time to add in the onions. Soften the onion up. Add a little salt. Once they become brown, it's time to add in the dill. Don't worry if you overflow your pot with dill. It will reduce in size a lot. Once your dill looks like this, add in a few chopped garlics. Mix it in for a few minutes. Follow that with the rice. I decided to go with basmati rice that has been washed and drained. Mix in the rice and let it absorb all the flavor. Then top it up with some cold room temperature water. Even the rice out. Make sure that the rice does not clump up. Add more water until you can hardly see the surface. Whatever you do, don't overfill with water. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. In the end, you will end up with something like this. Taste it, make sure everything is okay. And that's how you make dill rice. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends.